How to generate income on YouTube in 2023. For lots, earning money on YouTube is their way. After all, you YouTubers show to have a wonderful life and the love of their followers to bask in. And also considering that YouTube developing a YouTube channel is less complicated than ever. There are no damages in believing large and intending high. However, while creating a YouTube network is easy, transforming it into cash machine isn't as easy. You might gain your initial $100 by offering something or landing a sponsorship bargain. However, optimizing revenue requires comprehending all your choices prior to you diving in. Can you generate income on YouTube? The shorter answer is indeed. Thousands of people are doing it, and not every one of them have numerous clients to boot. As opposed to common belief, YouTube isn't just a numbers video game. Your earning potential additional requires on the specific niche you accommodate. The degree of engagement you produce and also the revenue streams you take advantage of. That's not to claim subscribers as well as viewers aren't crucially checked out are easy ideas to get even more sites on YouTube. That's not to claim subscribers as well as views aren't critical. Check out our easy ideas to get even more sites on YouTube. Do you get paid for submitting videos on YouTube? YouTube doesn't pay makers for publishing videos on YouTube. Likewise, the video clips aren't monetized by default. In order to start generating income on YouTube, you need to make it possible for monetization from your account setups. If you've been seeking brand new means to create income, you might be questioning just how to make money from YouTube. Well, there are a range of different ways that you can begin gaining on the platform, most of which revolve around creating compelling video material. Take a look at a few of the prominent YouTube earning streams available. Sign up with the YouTube Partner Program. If you've been asking yourself exactly how to earn money from YouTube, after that is important that you understand the YouTube Companion Program as well as how it functions. YouTube web content designers will not be able to monetize any one of their video clips until they've been approved right into the YouTube Partner Program. When your YouTube channel has 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 public views, it will be evaluated to join the Partner Program. This implies that you will not have the ability to create any kind of earnings up until you've struck those numbers, so it's essential to proceed producing material and increasing your network's reach. You can apply for the monetization once you satisfy the program criteria. Just how to enable money making on YouTube. Visit the YouTube account you mean to generate income from. Click on your account symbol in the leading right corner, then click on YouTube Workshop. From the left-hand food selection, select other attributes money making. Go through the companion program terms and also click Concur. Connect an existing AdSense account or create a new one for your network. Specify your monetization preferences. And after taking these steps, return to the control panel and also open the Analytics tab left wing. On the following display, pick a revenue from the top and afterwards scroll down till you see the graph monthly estimated income. The graph will provide you a concept of all your anticipated month-to-month earnings, the amount of sites you need to make money on YouTube. The number of views your video clips get does not correlate to your YouTube revenues. If you obtain countless views and however nobody clicks your advertisements or consumes content, you will not gain any type of cash. YouTube also has a criteria for paying publishers running advertisements on their network. A consumer needs to click the ad or watch it in full for you to generate income. That said, there is good news for individuals finding out exactly how to make money off YouTube. You are no longer solely dependent on advertisers to make revenue. For programs like YouTube Premiere now exist to help you earn money without ad clicking or usage. I hope some of this is helpful to you. If you like my video, please click like as it helps me. Then go to the bell and press all and you'll get informed when I put another video up. There are links underneath my videos for different programs. If you do join any, I will earn a small commission. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you very much for watching and hope you come back to view more.